Tired of uneven beard lines and constant trips to the barber? The best beard trimmers in 2026 are packed with power, precision, and versatility. Whether you're maintaining a short stubble or growing a full beard, these trimmers will have you looking sharp without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the top options. The Philips Norelco. Our all-in-one is a reliable, versatile beard trimmer that tackles all grooming tasks with ease. This model comes with multiple attachments for trimming, detailing, and shaving, allowing you to create any style from stubble to a full beard. The self-sharpening blades ensure consistent performance, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. With up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime and quick charge capabilities, this trimmer is a perfect all-rounder for anyone who wants a fast, precise grooming session. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's a solid choice for everyday grooming. Check the links in the description for more details and pricing. The Norelco Philips Multigroom 7000 series is built for users who need complete flexibility and power. With 23 pieces in one kit, this trimmer offers everything from beard and hair trimming to body grooming and nose hair maintenance. It's equipped with dual cut technology for faster, more efficient trimming. And the blades are made to last, ensuring they don't dull over time. The 70-minute battery life is solid for a full body grooming session. And the waterproof design means you can clean it easily under running water. If you're looking for a trimmer that does it all, the Multigroom 7000 series is a great investment. Find all the details in the description below. The Wahl Micro Groomsman is a compact, travel-friendly option that punches well above its weight. Despite its small size, it delivers precise trimming for beards, mustaches, and sideburns. The dual head design includes a trimmer and a detail shaver, allowing for both clean lines and close shaves. It's ideal for light grooming or quick touch-ups when you're in a rush. The battery-powered design makes it easy to take on the go, and the lightweight feel ensures a comfortable, precise trim every time. If you're after a portable and efficient trimmer, the Wahl Micro Groomsman is a great choice. Check the description below for more information and pricing. The Remington all-in-one grooming kit offers great value with its range of attachments that cover all your grooming needs. The kit includes multiple combs for different beard lengths, along with a detail trimmer and nose/ear hair clipper. The titanium-coated blades provide sharp, clean cuts while remaining durable over time. With up to 90 minutes of cordless use, it's perfect for both quick trims and longer grooming sessions. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, and the washable blades allow for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly trimmer that can handle everything, you'll find the links in the description below. The Philips Norelco. A OneBlade 360 is perfect for those who want a quick and easy solution for grooming and shaving. Its unique design allows for precise, fast trimming in any direction, and the 360-degree pivoting head follows the contours of your face, making it perfect for shaping and edging your beard. It's also waterproof, making it convenient for use in or out of the shower. The OneBlade technology offers smooth, efficient trimming without pulling, and the rechargeable battery offers long-lasting power for multiple trims. If you want a quick, hassle-free solution for maintaining your beard, check the description below for more details. These beard trimmers in 2026 offer everything from precision and power to versatility and portability. Whether you're maintaining your stubble or sculpting a full beard, there's a trimmer for every need. All the links are in the description below. Check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.